back to Teamster 2. I am here with my BFF, Vin.
Hi guys, my name is Vin, and today we are going to be making Galaxy Fluffy Slime.
And what you would be needing, I'm going to let Vin tell us what we will
We need shaving cream, activator, also known as Elmer's magical liquid, blue glitter glue, purple glitter glue, and pink glitter glue.
And another one of shaving.
And a bowl and a spoon. So,
okay,
let's go.
We are back. Okay, we are going to get started.
So the first thing we need is the glue. So let's open these up.
I'm going to be adding the blue first.
I'm going to be adding the purple first.
That's enough blue for me.
Okay, I think that's enough purple.
Now we'll swap.
Now what about you have the
Pink and I have the This is Vin's first time making slime, so don't judge if Galaxy is bad.
It won't be bad.
Yeah. Did I leave enough glue for you?
Yeah, it's enough. Okay, here we go. That's good enough. Now pink.
I'll just wait for you. Now you would need...
Now we need to mix the glue. So don't mix it that much, otherwise the colours will mix together, and we just want it to be like,
The purple's taking over.
yeah, okay. So now let's move on, so it doesn't become a purple mess.
Shaving cream.
Yep.
We both have a shaving cream.
Do you want mine?
Oh no, I have enough.
Sure.
And if
Then
you're coming
mix.
closer, you should add like that much. Yeah. Oh no! I think we added too much.
Doesn't matter. We can add more blue and pink.
Mine's like a violet. Okay, top tip. You don't put that much shaving cream in. If you want to get an elixir slime, don't add that much in. I think I need to add a little more of each color.
Because otherwise it's going to be a very light purple colour, and we don't want that. We want Galaxy.
Galaxy.
Okay. Okay. Now we're going to open that.
Okay, you can add that. Now this. Did you use
Yeah.
all the pink?
Some of it.
Yeah.
You use most of the blue. So.
Yeah.
It's a bit sticky, but we can clean it. I'm getting nothing.
Okay.
Can I have thank you.
And let's see if it will turn out now.
bit of a better galaxy colour. Ooh, it's looking nice.
But you wouldn't want to add more purple.
Yeah, because otherwise then it won't be galaxy.
Okay, we'll just clear out our table. When I mean by clear, I'm just gonna.
It's mostly a foamy mess.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna add my liquid.
Me too. I'm just gonna wait for her. Okay, and then I'll just hit it.
There you are. Remember, always have activator, because if you don't, then you won't have any slime.
Don't use Elmer's with the different activator. Use Elmer's and the same Elmer. Use the magical liquid. So use all Elmer's except the shaving cream. Do not, because Elmer's don't make Elmer shaving cream.
And hashtag not sponsored.
Yeah, this video is not sponsored.
Coming along. Very good. I think I need a bit more pink. Yeah, pink. It's
There
very
you go, my lady.
destroy this sugar.
That was a full bottle. Now it's just like an empty bottle.
Now it's coming out.
You gotta save some pink for the next video.
Hopefully. I don't think we'll have any pink left.
Mm.
But we can use red dye
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true.
with some of the white glue. That will work. Okay, I'm just gonna stick
Look
that
at it. Slime's so much fun to make.
It is.
Even though this is Ben's first time making.
Want to get most of the pink out, so we can close it up there.
And if you're wondering, Ben is a BFF. He's not a cousin or a family member.
Yeah. Still quite purple, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
I bet once we've mixed it all, it will look good.
Yeah.
Do you want to do the slime reveal?
What?
Do you want to do the slime reveal?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do a slime reveal. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, hi guys, we're back. So you may have seen some clips of us adding some other things in. So it was not really working. So they were like a lavender purple, but we found a way. So mine is, let me do a close up. Mine's got a bit of blue in it, if you can see, and a bit of pink, and then it's really purpley. So you might be able to see some of the red. What we added in. So it's quite purple, but it's still a nice colour. It's not quite there, but you might be see some of the sparkles, like the pink and blue ones.
Mine is just like a lavender, nice little purple. And yeah. Keep watching. You can see us do some bloopers or behind the scenes. Stay watching.
Also, my one was Galaxy, but so when you have it and you mix it in, it just gets mixed in and then it won't like be Galaxy. So be sure to check out that. We're also going to be making another video of
Which is
stuff,
next.
which will be
After
soon.
this
And so anyway, we're going to go now. Bye. Bye. Subscribe. And turn on those notifications.
and hit the bell if you like. like this video. Comment down below if you've ever made galaxy slime before.
Or even made slime.
Thank you for watching.
Bye!
You see me rolling, the hater. Behind the scenes, making slime.
Ready for 2 and go. I'm trying to do it.
Behind the scenes of making galaxy fluffy slime.
Behind the scenes of today's video. So we are going to be doing another video. It's going to be of us doing bubbles.
Maybe.
With the slime.
Mine still has grass in it. Grassy grape. Grassy grape, the name of my slime.
Yeah.
Grassy grape.
It did fall on the floor.
Yeah.
Hers did, not mine. There's no grass in mine. I'm going to try.
We love making slime. We love slime.
Whoop.
Slime. Slime.
Slime. Now that is a good blooper.
Now it's got hair and all stuck to it.
So welcome to our behind the scenes and bloopers. Bloopers. Be sure to subscribe.
Subscribe.
All you need to do is press that button. Press that button, that subscribe button.